We're ready? Okay. We are. What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally all up on your screen with another episode of DSession. Welcome back to another episode of DSession, guys. It feels so good to be back. I'm normally excited to missing our last couple of weeks. However, we are back and we are ready to take it live. I hope you had a damn good week to come back, angels. We picked a damn good week to come back because trust me when I tell you about this week our topics. This week our topics are normal. So without further ado, let me just give you a quick disclaimer before we jump in this episode, okay? Now, if I look like I'm speaking a little bit differently, like I have a lisp, I don't usually have a lisp, but if it looks like I have one now, or if my left cheek, well, it looks right to you. But my left cheek is slightly, a little bit puffed up. I'm recovering from a wisdom teeth situation. If you watch my vlogs, you'll be able to see what that journey has been like. But yeah, I've been dealing with this thing for years. If you have wisdom teeth yourself, you would know the pain and the struggle that it is real. So yeah, you guys will be able to see that if you check out my vlogs. Anyways, let's jump into this week's hot topics. The first thing that I want to really get into is Sean Paul and what he had to say about his experience with the Grammys. Now, this did not shock me. It didn't surprise me at all, angels. Honestly, I was not surprised to find out that Sean Paul did not have the best experience when he went to the Grammy Academy Awards. Now, the one thing that I'm troubled with is the fact that at this stage in a big 2020, we still have set reggae and dancehall aside, like a genre that has been so stretched and used by so many other artists. So many other genres have tapped into dancehall and have tapped into reggae, especially reggae. And even if it isn't the sound, it is the beat, it is the rhythm, it is the colors, it is the brand. There's reggae basically everywhere. So I don't understand why at this point we still cannot see the award being accepted during the live show. Like even last year when Coffee got her award for best reggae album, it did actually air in the live show, guys. Like you saw that on the internet because someone recorded it, but it wasn't actually aired live for everyone around the world to see. And I think it's something that we definitely need to do. I mean, at this point reggae and dancehall is the shit. So I'm really appalled that at this point, even though I'm not surprised that he experienced it, I am still shocked that they are still sidestepping people like that.
No! God, please, no! No!
Now, Urban Islands, big up yourself, Urban Islands. If you do not know what Urban Islands is, it's a website. It covers a lot in terms of talking about dancehall, reggae, and our own artists. And I love to check them out just to, see what's happening out there in the space. And they posted an article on October 11th talking about Sean Paul and what he had to say. Now, he did an interview with Nightly Fix. That's where he spoke about all of this. And I remember when I watched the show, big up yourself, Nightly Fix. As I tell you guys all the time, DSession and Nightly Fix, we are friends in our heads. Yes, from last year, me I tell you, from season 1, yeah. But he was on the show and he was basically talking about what that experience was like, and everybody on the panel did shock, including myself. I was like, really? You get me? And the article goes on to say that Sean Paul says he felt discriminated against at the Grammys and explained why there will be no versus with Shaggy. Now, he was speaking to the team on the entertainment podcast The Fix when he spoke of the mistreatment he received at the hand of Grammy organizers. This is what Sean Paul had to say. They never had seat for us. I see Black Eyed Peas walk past us on the red carpet and go inside. I asked Steve and him say, this is our tent. What? Said Sean about the fact that he was not allowed to enter the arena while all the members of the Black Eyed Peas were seated. How them have 5 seats of Black Eyed Peas and them no win no Grammy or perform? Came the question from Sean Paul as he remembered sitting in the caravan outside. They said, this awful? Like, this is not a good look. They never even got a chance to go inside. This is shocking. This is Sean Paul we're talking about. If my music wasn't the number one, bleeping music in the world at the time, I would have been like, well, it's like reggae and is little reggae and little dancehall I do. So just take what you get, Sean Paul. And even though that is true, that if it's a situation where he wasn't collecting an award, if he didn't win anything, then it would have been Banana Sabad. But I think right across the board it is terrible. It's not no little reggae and it's not no little dancehall. It's big reggae and big dancehall. Drake dedicated a whole album using reggae and dancehall beats and flow. So I would not consider our music little in no way, shape or form. You get me? But this was a very telling interview. I was very shocked to hear that he had this experience, even though I wasn't surprised. I was just shocked to know that it actually happened, but it's not something that I'm like, how could this be? Because them still not hear the award acceptance on the live show. So that alone show we how them feel about reggae and dancehall. You get me? But anyways, angels, let me know in the comment section down below, as per usual, what you thought about this story and what you thought about the whole Grammy not giving reggae and dancehall the way I call the recognition that it deserves. You get me? Reggae and dancehall matters. That's all I say. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another episode of DSession. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought about this week's hot topic, and also what you thought about the fact that we got our earrings back. Listen to me. Listen to me. You know how long me can't find them earring, yeah? Me say I have the earring them and I say yes, these are my DSession earrings, guys. I wear them every DSession episode and I couldn't find them, but they are back and they are back and winning. So share this video with your friends, share it with everybody, share it on your Instagram, on your Facebook. And speaking of Instagram and Facebook, follow me on all social media. Links are in the description bar down below. And also, guys, subscribe to the channel if it's the first time you are watching this episode. If you're a lover of dancehall and all things entertainment, this is where you are needed to be. So subscribe for more episodes. Give my like button some love. Show my like button some love. Until next time, angels, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels. Say bye, mama. Bye.